at Miss Char _M on Instagram. Thank you for tuning in. This will be a product review. I got a haul from Yadain Culture Solutions. I'm going to be trying their Roots Repair and Restore Complex system today. This is my first time using their hair products. My aunt told me about this company. It is a Black owned company and I wanted to give them a try. So I got like I told you, the Roots Repair and Restore system. I think it comes with 4 products, and as I'm using each of the products, I'm going to kind of let you see how my hair turns out. So the first product is the shampoo, the Roots Repair and Restore Complex Reconstruction Shampoo. It's for over-processed and heat-damaged hair, detangles and restore natural hair texture, excellent for coarse, for wavy, and thick hair types. Yadain Culture Solution Root Shampoo is safe for all hair types and made with certified organic, natural herb ingredients. So all their products are natural. All their products are certified organic. So I got this system because I have psoriasis. I wanted to try this one because of the herbal products that it have. This is the Repair and Restore Complex Deep Conditioner. So this probably goes second. Ingredients in this one is amala herb, calendula herb, rosemary, tea tree essential oil, caramel, dried avocado, vitamin A, B12C, raw honey, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, protein, sweet almond oil, vanilla, licorice, and burdock root and seaweed. They also have the curl hair mix complex. You can see that it's probably backwards anyway. And then they have the Repair and Restore Rapid Hair Growth Complex Polish and Moisturizing Serum. But they all pretty much have the same ingredients. I'm going to wash my hair, and after each using each product, I'm going to tell you how I like the product. Okay, hey guys, I've put the Repair and Restore Complex Reconstructive Shampoo in. I like the smell of it. I can smell the oils in it. The feel is okay. So I'm gonna wash this out. Okay, this is my hair after I rinsed the shampoo out. At this point, it doesn't really feel moisturized, but it does feel cleansed. It feels clean. My scalp feels clean. Hair feels clean. So apply adequate amount of Yadain Culture Solution Complex Conditioner to hair and massage thoroughly and fully saturated until fully saturated. Leave in for 5 to 15 minutes. Then rinse solution from hair completely. Repeat once every week and a half for best results. I'm gonna apply this, and I love the feel of it. It's basically whipped. It feels good. Let's see how it feels in my hair. So it's like a mask. So it feels good. I love the way it feels in my hands. And I like the way it feels in my hair. It's not like a conditioner, like you kind of pour and put it in. It's more like a mask. I think this takes a lot of product, especially the thicker your hair is and the longer your hair is. You probably need a lot of product to kind of coat it. Yeah, now that it's coated, takes a good amount of product to coat my hair. So it moisturizes it. It feels moisturized. And again, it's more like a mask and not like conditioner. I've washed it out. It does feel conditioned. It smells great. It smells like fruit. We have the curl hair mix complex and the serum. So I usually use a serum on top of like any type of moisturizing product that I use. Some people might do it differently, but that's kind of what I usually do because the serum usually just give it that sheen. So I'm going to use the the curl hair milk complex first. This smells really good as well. It smells like fruit. You can really smell the fruit and you can smell the oil. It's thicker. The consistency is thicker than what I would have imagined. But let's try it. Kind of thins out a little bit. I'm gonna apply that. I really focus a lot on my ends. And it's not heavy. I expected it to be a little bit heavier on my hair since it was thicker, but it's not heavy at all. Oh my gosh, it smells awesome. It smells really awesome. So I'm just gonna go through and apply it to my hair. I wasn't gonna comb it out, but I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. And I can see those curl patterns coming in nicely. That's real pretty. I usually use this type of brush, but I have to use a whole lot of either gel or any type of product that I'm using. I have to put a whole lot in it, and this doesn't, I don't think it gives me the type of coverage I need, so it won't break my hair, but I'm gonna try it. Wow, that's good. Wow, that's real good. Okay, I'm not mad at that at all. I'm not mad at that at all. So what I will do, see, that's a problem. My hair is like elastic type, and if I don't put a whole lot of product in it and coat it, like, I'll have a hard time. But with this, I'm not, and that's really surprising. So right now, this is really good. I'm impressed. I really am impressed. So what I normally do is just to kind of set my hair, I will part it and flat twist it. So once I do that, comb it out, run the brush through it just to give it that extra curl, and like, it's going through really well, to be honest. I'm impressed. So I'm going to try the serum. So this smells good as well. You have your fruit smell and your oil smell. It smells really good. It's actually thick, real thick in consistency. So I'm just gonna try a small amount right here on this section. It's a thicker, like, it kind of coats it thicker, but it gives it that shine that most serums give. And see, it's going through. So it really gives it that shine. So I'm really surprised this went through. So I'm just gonna go in and flat twist my hair. And I'm gonna do this over my whole head. And when I take it down, I will show you guys the full results. Hey guys, so this is the final product. I just untwisted my hair from flat twist from front to back. I did about 8, I believe. Untwisted them, styled it the way I wanted to. I didn't put any other products in my hair. I washed it and I dried it and I let it air dry some more overnight. So this is what it looks like overnight. It's conditioned. It's not weighed down or anything like that. It smells great. So if this is the type of look you're going for, I think this product will work well. All natural products. I'm going to put the link in the description below where I got it from. And you can check out their other products as well. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you liked my video, and I plan to do more. Thank you.